This video covers TONEX versus Axe-Fx III, two powerful guitar processors. Choosing the right one can transform your tone and workflow without unnecessary complexity. We'll briefly explore what each offers to help you decide. TONEX and Axe-Fx III are advanced guitar processors designed for tone shaping. TONEX uses AI-driven modeling for dynamic, realistic amp and effect simulations, while Axe-Fx III relies on traditional high-end digital signal processing with deep manual control. The core difference lies in AI adaptability versus established DSP technology. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar processor developed by IK Multimedia, built around machine learning to deliver highly expressive amp and effect models. It works by analyzing your playing in real time and adapting the tone dynamically, creating a natural response that reacts like a real amplifier. TONEX offers a wide range of amps, cabinets, and effects, all powered by AI to replicate nuances often missed by conventional processors. Its strengths lie in ease of use, highly realistic tone, and the ability to evolve with your playing style. However, it requires a stable internet connection for cloud-based processing and may have a learning curve for users unfamiliar with AI-driven gear. TONEX is ideal for guitarists seeking cutting-edge expressive sound modeling with minimal setup, especially those interested in exploring AI-enhanced tone without sacrificing authenticity. The Axe-Fx III by Fractal Audio is a flagship digital guitar processor known for its detailed and customizable signal processing. It operates using traditional DSP technology, providing a vast library of meticulously crafted amp models, cabinets, and effects. The Axe-Fx III offers extensive manual control, allowing players to fine-tune every parameter to shape their sound precisely. Its strengths include ultra-low latency, proven reliability, and compatibility with complex rig setups. Limitations include a steeper learning curve due to its deep interface and the absence of AI-driven adaptability. The Axe-Fx III excels for professional musicians and studio engineers who want total control over their tone and effects chains, and who value hardware stability and extensive preset management without relying on cloud connectivity. TONEX and Axe-Fx III cater to different playing styles and priorities. TONEX's AI-based modeling excels in delivering organic, responsive tones with minimal tweaking, perfect for players who want a fresh, evolving sound. Conversely, Axe-Fx III offers unmatched manual control and hardware stability, suited for those who prefer hands-on customization and offline reliability. If you perform live with complex setups or require deep editing, Axe-Fx III is advantageous. For players wanting quick, expressive tones powered by AI and cloud processing, TONEX stands out. Both offer high-quality amp and effect models, but choosing depends on your workflow preference. Adaptive AI versus traditional DSP precision. Choose TONEX if you want AI-driven, highly expressive tones with ease of use and cloud-powered adaptability, ideal for innovative guitarists exploring new sonic possibilities. Opt for the Axe-Fx III if you need comprehensive manual control, proven hardware reliability, and deep customization without internet dependency. Both processors excel in their domains, so consider your priorities carefully to find the best fit for your guitar tone and performance needs.